In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and format images on a Squarespace website. Let's start right inside your page editor. When you're ready to place an image, open the section or area where you want it and click Add Block. This opens the block picker, which is where Squarespace keeps all the content. Types you can drop onto a page. Choose image. If you see multiple options, simply confirm the image block to place it on your canvas. A placeholder will appear, and from here, you'll upload your file. Click Upload File, then select the image from your computer. Give it a moment to process. For best results, choose a clear, high-quality JPG or PNG. And keep the file size reasonable so your page loads quickly. Once it's in, you'll see the image populate the block right away. Now, you can resize the image block directly on the page. Click the block and drag its handles to make it larger or smaller. As you resize, keep in mind that Squarespace is responsive, so the layout will adapt on different screens. Try to leave a little breathing room so the design looks good on both desktop and mobile. To fine-tune the look, hover over the image and click the pencil icon to open the settings. This is where you'll do your detailed formatting. Switch to the Design tab to control how the image fits inside its frame. You'll see options for Fit and Fill. Fit keeps the entire image visible inside the container, which is great when you don't want anything cropped, though you might see empty space around the edges depending on the aspect ratio. Fill, on the other hand, covers the entire container. It creates a bold, edge-to-edge look, but it may crop the sides or top and bottom. Choose the one that best matches your layout and the shape of your image. While you're in design, adjust opacity. If you want the image to sit subtly behind other elements, like text overlays or buttons. Lower opacity is handy for backgrounds. Higher opacity keeps the image vibrant and front and center. You can also tweak the scale to zoom in or out. A slight zoom can help fill compositions feel deliberate, while keeping scale near 100% preserves clarity. If you notice any softness, reduce the scale and allow the container to adjust. When everything looks right, click out of the settings to return to your page and check the spacing one more time. That's it. Upload, resize, and refine with Fit or Fill, plus opacity and scale to get a polished, on-brand image every time.